What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we are covering how you can earn up to 1700% APY as passive income. I will show you this Crypto DeFi tutorial. This is a step-by-step guide. So today we will be covering 5 topics. The first one, where can we earn 1700% APY? The second one, how to get the right crypto assets. The third one, how to import your assets to Sifchain. The fourth one, how to provide liquidity to a pool so we can earn up to 1700% APY. And the last and the fifth thing of today, how long does it take if we want to remove the liquidity and how can we do that? So let's get into the video. So if we take a look at the Twitter, we will see right here, this is an omni-chain DEX inspired by Thorchain and built on Cosmos. So let's go to the website. If we come to the website, we will see right here, Sifchain is a decentralized exchange where Cosmos meets Ethereum and soon much more. Just click onto this button, enter the DEX. This is the place where we can earn up to 1700% APY into passive income. So the first thing that you will see that happens is your Kepler will pop up and this will ask you to connect to different networks into your Kepler. Just every pop-up, click reject, just reject all of this because otherwise you will be connected with every network into your Kepler. Once you have done that, you click on to connect wallets and then you just choose Sifchain and Cosmos. That's the only ones that you need. Then you click back. If we go to pool, this is the place where we can earn up to 1700% APY. You can do this by providing liquidity for Rowan and Atom. If you want to provide liquidity $500, you put 250 in Rowan, 250 in Atom, and then you provide the total liquidity and this will give you an APY of 1700% with weekly compounding. So now that we know which two assets that we need to earn this percentage, where are we gonna get these assets? This is the second topic of today, how to get the right crypto assets. For that, we need to go to Osmosis. Once you're into Osmosis, just enter the lab. Connect this with your Kepler. Once we are connected, we just click on to trade. When we have clicked trade, you just choose the token that you want to trade against, Rowan or Atom. I myself am going to use UST. I already bought my Rowan. I will show you this. If we go to Rowan, you will see I already have my Rowan. So I only need to buy Atom, but it's both the same way. It's through this option. I'm gonna choose UST to buy my Atom. I had provided $500 in Rowan to put it into the liquidity pool. I want to provide $1000 liquidity. So I need to split this up into 500 Rowan, 500 UST. So I need to split this up in 500 Rowan, 500 Atom. Just choose 500 UST. I'm gonna do this to Atom. Alright, swap, proof, confirm this in Ledger. Alright, transaction succeeds. So now that we have the right assets, we first go check this and click on to assets. So you will see right here I have my Atom, $500. I have $500 worth of Atom. So if you go to the downside, we search for Rowan, Sifchain. Here we see Sifchain Rowan. I have also $500 right here. So what's the thing that we need to do right now? We need to withdraw this to our Cosmos address. So click on to withdraw, approve, click the max, click withdraw, approve, confirm this. Alright, transaction successful. So now we have to do the same for our Atom. Just click onto your Atom, withdraw, proof, the max, withdraw, same routine. Transaction is broadcasting. Alright, transaction successful. So now that we have successfully withdrawn our two assets to our Cosmos address, we go back to the Sifchain page. So now we come to the third topic, how to import your assets to Sifchain. So we click onto balances, then we click import. Our Rowan is already on our balance. We can already see our Rowan onto the balance. So we only need to import our Atom. Click import. Then you choose network Cosmos Hub. Choose 18 pieces. Import. Yes, alright, confirm. Prove the transaction. Confirm into Ledger. Alright, successfully have imported our Atom. Click close. As you can see, import complete, 18 atoms. So now that we have our assets imported to Sifchain, we come to the fourth topic of today. How to provide liquidity to a pool to earn 1700% So click onto pool. Then you just click onto this pool, add liquidity. I'm gonna provide the max that I can. Alright, now you can see if I provide the max Rowan, I need 18.9, but I only have 18.3. So I will import some extra atom very fast. So I just added quickly my atom. So now I can put the max liquidity into the pool to earn up to 1700%. Alright, add liquidity. Yes, confirm. This will give you a transaction to approve like always. Just click approve, confirm it into your ledger. Alright, it's done. So I added the liquidity, close. Now you will see my total pool value is $1,800. So you can see everything you want to see right here. My liquidity is 10,000 Rowan and 32 Atom. So now what I want to show you, very quick in between. If you want to see your rewards, just click onto rewards on the left side. This will show you rewards. This is weekly. Weekly, this will be distributed to you. So you need to wait every week, then it will be distributed to you, and then you can add the liquidity again. You can weekly compound your rewards. These are my rewards right now from 1 day. As you can see, this gives me like on 1 day 70 tokens. The price of Sifchain is right now at almost 10 cents. So this is $7 a day. This is $210 a month to provide liquidity. To provide liquidity that's worth $800. Now I have provided 1,800. If you click onto rewards on the left side, you will see your rewards. This will be claimed weekly. They will distribute this to you weekly. Then you can compound your rewards again. So this will give you then more. If you go to the left side and click onto rewards, you will see this is my daily reward right now. Because I already am providing 1 week $800 of liquidity. And this has given me $7 a day, 70 tokens in Rowan. Because Rowan is at 10 cents, so 70 tokens is $7 a day. This is $210 a month to provide $800 liquidity. So I thought this was very interesting. So today I provided another 1,000 liquidity. So this will even earn me more now. You don't have to do anything. This will dispense by Tuesday morning. Then you just go to balances and you will see it will be updated right here, your Rowan rewards. If we take a look at the price of Rowan, this is at the lowest time ever. This is a very good time to buy. We had an all-time high, March 2021. That was $1.40. Now it's at 10 cents, so we can have a 14x to all-time high. So that's why you can earn 1700% APY and you still have the chance that the Rowan token does a 14x to his all-time high. So this is a very, very good opportunity. Don't miss out on this. So now I will be covering the last topic of today. How long does it take if you want to remove the liquidity, and how can you do that? Well, I have some very good news for you. If you want to remove liquidity, this is possible in a second. And other chains you have to do. Normally in a lot of DeFi protocols, you need to wait 14 days to get your liquidity back, or you need to bond it or whatever. Here you can provide liquidity and you can withdraw it immediately. In a second you have it back. I will show you where you can do it. You just click onto pool, then you click onto pool value, then you just click onto, instead of add liquidity, click onto remove liquidity. If you have clicked onto that, I'm just going to withdraw 1% to show you, because I don't want to withdraw my tokens. I want to, so click onto remove liquidity. Alright, confirm. This is going to be 104 Rowan. So this should appear in our balances as soon as possible. Just approve the transaction. So now that we have done this, we should see our 104 Rowan come into our balance in a couple of seconds. So let's see what it gives. Alright, withdraw 1% of your liquidity. Close. Now if we go to balances, we should see, alright, you see it immediately. Immediately you have your liquidity back. Isn't this great? This is amazing. This is a crazy opportunity. I'm into a lot of DeFi protocols, but I don't know any DeFi protocol that works as smooth as this one. And it's still in a beta modus. So make sure to check it out. Alright, this was it for today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can participate in the giveaways that I will keep providing on this channel. Don't forget to put a like and a comment to show me some support. And I will see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.